Hello doers, it's time to focus on Odoo CRM application. Now CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is a process that tracks all of a business's interactions with leads and customers and compiles all that info in one place. Now since CRMs look at across a different range of communication channels, they can be pretty handy for a variety of roles. For the customer-facing roles, like sales, CRMs provide a more holistic picture of the customer journey and help plan or schedule activities. And on that back end, CRMs can analyze vast amounts of information, such as web visits, purchase history, attributed revenue, and more at an increasing scale over time. Now here at StealthyBoard, we use Odoo CRM pipeline to track leads and opportunities as they progress through the various stages of our sales flow. Odoo CRM also keeps track of client info for us and helps us see where we stand with each of our customers. So this is the main CRM dashboard. Now by default, Odoo has various stages in it that are shown in Kanban view. Also by default, Odoo only shows the opportunities currently assigned to you as indicated by the My Pipeline filter up here in the search bar. Of course, if I click on that X right there, boom, all of the opportunities are appearing now. And as you can see, we have different stages in place to track our business opportunities. Now these stages themselves are each customizable, and we even have the option to add additional stages as well if we'd like. To customize any of these stages over here, we'd simply actually hover over them and select this little gear icon that appears. Now we have a couple options. When you click that, we have the option to fold, edit, automations, and delete. If we select the fold stage, look at that, boom, it's folded the stage right there in the Kanban view, which means it's just hidden. And to unfold it, we just select it there and boom, it's back to normal. If we reopen that gear icon up here, I want to show you something. Look at that. Inside of this menu, if we select edit, we're given a bunch of options to customize a few other things related to this stage, like if it's a one stage or folded. But for now, let's select that X over here. Great. Going back into the menu, I want to talk about automations over here. Now, what can you do in here? Well, inside of here, we can customize a fully automated workflow with pre-configured automation rules for this stage. But don't worry, we'll get into all of that in a different video. For now, let's click back into our pipeline because I want to talk about more stuff over here. Now from here on the far right over here, do you see that there's a plus stage button? This can be used to add a new stage to the pipeline. So let's click on that right now. And it's giving us the option to give it a title. So we're going to click second proposition right there. Boom. We have our stage. Now we can place it wherever we want to in our pipeline. For this, let's drag it over to where it sounds like it would belong. After first proposition and before one. Boom. We've created a new stage. All right, but we've made stages. Now let's take a look at a couple of different ways an opportunity can be created for these stages. Now, first we could click on any of these plus signs above one of these stages, and doing so allows us to create an actual opportunity within that specific stage. For instance, the qualified one over here will appear inside of here after I fill out this form. And if I wanted to, I can discard this and instead do a new one up here by selecting new in the top left, creating an opportunity in the new stage. And let's do that. So from here, we're going to enter the organization or contact name associated with the opportunity. So let's select, in our case, Abigail, Abby for short. Now, since this customer is already in our database, the rest of their information has been auto-magically input in the fields below right there. But if this was a new customer, we'd have to input things such as the email and the phone number if we had those, manually, of course. Up next, we'll give this opportunity a more unique title besides Abigail's opportunity, just so it'll be easier to recognize as it moves through the pipeline and it's easier for me to find. So we're going to type in Abby wants 200 lamps. Great. Why does she want them? We don't know. Now, since our lamps are $10 a piece, let's enter an expected revenue of $2,000 because math. Great. And I could also change this at any time if I want to. Also, I want to make this opportunity a priority, which I can actually designate with these star icons over here. And give it the 2 stars for a high priority. And with everything in place, we select add. And look at that. Just like that, Odoo has added our opportunity to the new stage and presented us with a fresh opportunity to fill out if we need it. But we're good for now, so we're going to close this out. And there it is. Look at that. Now, I'm noticing something on a lot of these. And what is it, Odooers? It's a gray little clock icon. What does that mean? Well, that represents an activity that can be assigned to the opportunity. You'll see opportunity